I'm Dev Visagie, and my team at PerthGrow. See this one? Misunderstood all the time. It's not the big hike, it's the tiny wobble you didn't plan for. A modest rate change on a 700k mortgage can add hundreds per month. We've all felt that before. Yet after the February 2025 cut, national prices still hit a fresh record by March. Sentiment and serviceability moved faster than most expect. Perth values continued rising into mid to late 2025. Waiting didn't make entry cheaper, it just changed who could afford to act. That's why yield and buffers matter. Cashflow absorbs shocks, hope doesn't. Dev Visagie from PerthGrow. If you're serious about building WA wealth, follow us. We keep it real, no fluff.